Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Performance Management Studio in AIZOPlan to define, track, and manage key results, measurable indicators that help you monitor performance and benefits realization across your program. Key results are used to evaluate program delivery performance and ensure continuous alignment with expected program outcomes. To get started, go to your program office, then click the Performance Management Studio. To add a key result, click Add and select the program you want to assign it to. You can use AIZO, the AI assistant, to generate smart suggestions tailored to your program context. Now, complete the key result form with the following details. Title, a clear, specific name for the key result. Action, a strategic verb like increase. When, time frame for completion. Frequency, how often progress is tracked. Reason, the strategic driver behind the key result. KPI type, choose between percentage or absolute value. Define the current baseline and the target. Once completed, click Save. You can repeat this process to define multiple key results for the same program. Once your key results are in place, you can begin tracking performance. In the Performance Management Studio, choose the program you want to monitor. Search or browse the list to find the key result you want to review. Each key result includes real-time indicator as results scored from 0 to 1, based on actual performance. You'll also see a graphical view showing how performance evolves over time. To update progress, click Add KPI, input the latest result, and save. This updates the chart and recalculates the key result status automatically. In conclusion, the Performance Management Studio helps you define clear, measurable key results and track their progress over time. Thanks for watching.